In this video, I'm going to show you how to add, edit, and remove bills of materials, or BOMs, from any part record inside FloorVisio. This process is essential when you're working with assemblies, sub-assemblies, and multi-level builds, and FloorVisio gives you complete freedom with no limits on BOM size or depth. Let's walk through how to build them step by step. What a BOM is in FloorVisio. Before we begin, here's a quick definition. A bill of materials, BOM, is a list of all the parts, materials, and sub-assemblies that make up your finished product. Inside FloorVisio, BOMs can be single-level or multi-level. Sub-assemblies can contain their own sub-assemblies. There is no limit to how deep or complex your BOM structure can be. Every BOM item links directly to another existing part record. This makes FloorVisio ideal for sheet metal assemblies, machined components, weldments, electrical builds, fabricated products, and more. How to add a bill of materials to a part record. To add a BOM to any part. Step 1. Navigate to the part number that will act as your assembly. This is typically a top-level component. Step 2. Click the plus icon inside of the Order Linked Parts and Quantities category. Select the customer that has your sub-assembly part. Then locate the sub-assembly part you wish to have linked as a BOM on your top-level assembly. Finally, enter how many of the sub-assembly part is required for your assembly. Then left-click on Continue. Step 3. Repeat for all components of your assembly. Add as many sub-parts as needed. You can build out multiple levels simply by adding sub-assembly part numbers that have their own BOMs. Creating multi-level BOM structures. One of the biggest advantages of FloorVisio is its complete flexibility. Assemblies can contain sub-assemblies. Those sub-assemblies can contain additional sub-assemblies. And so on. There are no limits on how deep your BOM can go. If you have a 4-level, 6-level, 12-level, or even deeper structure, FloorVisio handles it effortlessly. Every time you enter a part that already has its own BOM, FloorVisio automatically treats it as a sub-assembly inside your top-level build. Editing an existing BOM entry. If you need to change the quantity of a BOM sub-assembly. Step 1. Click the notepad icon inside of the Order Linked Parts and Quantities category. A list of the sub-assemblies will be shown. Change the quantity and click the Save button. How to remove a bill of materials row. If you need to delete a component from the BOM. Step 1. Click the minus icon inside of the Order Linked Parts and Quantities category. Find the child part you want to remove and select the checkbox and then click Remove. The component is removed from the assembly structure. Using BOMs in Engineering Masters. Once your BOM is complete, it automatically becomes part of the engineering master. It flows into Job Travelers. It's used during production to issue materials. It ensures accurate costing and routing. If your assembly changes over time, simply update the BOM. All new jobs will use the latest revision. Conclusion. And that's all there is to it. Today we covered how to add BOMs, remove BOM lines, edit BOM entries, build single-level and multi-level assemblies, and manage unlimited BOM depth inside FloorVisio. With FloorVisio, your bill of materials can be as simple or as complex as your product requires, with zero limitations.